Hello, little friends. Hi, are you ready for a wonderful story? Let's start with our welcome song. Hello, hello, how are you? To hello. Hello, I'm happy to see you. Once upon a time, there was a tiny red bird named Little Red. He lived in a round nest. Can you make a circle with your hands? 1, 2, 3 little eggs in my nest. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Little Red saw his friend Bouncy Bunny. Bouncy Bunny was eating carrots. Crunch, crunch. These carrots help me grow strong. Can you pretend to eat a healthy carrot? Then came Sleepy Bear. He was big and tall. Little Red was small. Big and small. Can you show me big and small? Before their adventure, they looked at the sky. The sun, the shining. It was a sunny day. Let's sing the weather song, Mr. Sun. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. They walked on different paths and over the bumpy rocks. Can you walk carefully? Through the soft grass. Can you make swishing sounds? Around the big tree. Can you walk in a circle? Our circle. Let's count our steps. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the garden, they learned about colors and shapes. Red round flowers. Can you say red and make a circle? Yellow star flowers. Can you say all yellow and make a square with your hands? Can you say they found natural and square? Blue and make a square and make a say. Blue star the hands. Tep, tedep, tap on hollow logs. A practice rhythm. Aw, tap, tap, tap. Tap, swish, swish with leaves. Make swishing sounds. Ding, ding with little rocks. A gentle clicking sounds. Let's make music together. Before going home, they shared. Bunny shared his carrots. Bear shared his honey. Little Red shared his songs. Sharing makes us happy. Can you pretend to share something with a friend? Time to clean up. Dan, why? Pick up toys? Can you pretend to pick up? Love, goodbye, wave to our friends. Give yourself a hug. Show self. Love, thank you. Will everywhere and grew in you friends for playing today. And every today. You colors. No shapes and numbers too. Hey now. It's time to bid adieu.